legends, welcome. If you're a tradie, a health pro, or anyone who writes job quotes, reports, or invoices, and you're tired of wasting hours on admin, stick around, because today I'm going to show you how I use InstaReport, an AI-powered platform that turns your voice into professional documents. It's super easy, and you'll be generating client-ready quotes and reports in under 5 minutes. So the first step is to log into InstaReport. So here we are, instareport.com. This is your dashboard. It's laid out in 3 steps. Record, generate, and edit. Simple. Okay, let's go through it together. So the first step is to record your notes. So we click start and speak into the mic. You can say something casual like, quote for tile in kitchen splashback, 2.5 square meters, includes waterproofing and removal of old tiles. Once you click stop, it immediately transcribes what I'm saying. And if I want to tidy it up, I just hit the fix grammar button. And bam, it's polished. This is perfect if you're on site or in between jobs because you don't need to type anything. So there we go. We can also edit it by editing in the transcript box. And then the next step is to hit the generate report button. And this is where the magic happens. So down here, you'll see templates, and check this out. We've even got one for the tradies. Work orders, quotes, job sheets, building inspections, and even plumbing and electrical templates. And for this example, we're going to scroll through and hit the quote and estimate report. Then I choose my tone. I usually go with the client-friendly or the professional tone for this one. So we're going to go with client-friendly. But it depends based on your client. You can also add custom instructions depending on what you need the AI to generate specifically. And you can select one of these example ones if you'd like, but we're just going to leave that for now. The next button is to basically just generate a report. So as we generate the report, we just sit back, twiddle our thumbs, have a beer, and we're just going to let the AI do its thing. And obviously we need to fill out some more information, but as you can see here, the project involves the installation of tile splashback in the kitchen, and then it's got costing, terms and conditions, total cost breakdown, and you can also add like GST and things like that if you want. So this is how we're going to do it in the next section. If you click edit report, here is our report now. So you can rename it. So my quote, and the AI is just going to basically automatically save this anyway once we start editing it, so you don't even need to click the save button. We can highlight text, and we also have an AI editor that does it for you. So if we wanted to just add example pricing, we can do that, and then we can go process, and you can review the changes before you accept or reject it. And we're just going to click accept. How good is that? So edit that a little bit more. So we've got $500, $300, $800. So that's pretty good, pretty easy to use. We've also got some more options up here. So the next step, we can add a letterhead. We've also got letterheads here, just example ones, or you can create a custom one as well. You can add different gradients. You can select it here. You can upload your logo. You can add your contact info, address, company name. You can change the position of the logo or the wording, which is pretty cool, or how you want this centered, but we're not going to worry about that for now because we want to show you the design assistant. So pretty boring right now what we have here, but if we click this and then we say a professional quote template, for example, and then we can either select OpenAI to design our template for us, but Claude's usually a bit better with the design, so we're going to hit generate. And there we have it, guys. In probably less than 20 seconds, it has designed and formatted all our information that we've generated into a beautiful report. Obviously, if you click on that design assistant and uploaded a screenshot or an image of your existing template, it'll create something pretty similar to that, which is really handy to have. And you can also make some final edits here. And if you're happy with that, you can click the print button right here on the tab and you can preview it. So that looks pretty good to me. And you can use that to save as a PDF as well. So if we hit the export button here, it's going to generate our PDF file. We click that and there it is. So it's formatted it all for us and that's ready to send off to your client. So guys, whether you're generating a physio progress note, quoting a deck, InstaReport saves you time and it makes you look like you've got an actual team behind you. So there's a 7-day free trial. There's no lock-in. You can cancel any time before the trial ends. So why not give it a crack and see how you go yourself?